Hi guys, and welcome to the Chef Mooney channel, coming to you from Mooney's Kitchen. Today I'm going to do a beautiful chicken breast fillet. We're going to butterfly these so they're nice and even, salt and pepper on both sides, and then we want to shallow fry them until they're golden brown on one side. This is going to take a couple of minutes, and then repeat the process, turning it over and cooking the other side. Now I have added a slight bit of garlic in there, a couple of cloves. I'm going to place them onto my tray with some sliced lemon, a little bit of lemon juice. Pop them into the oven at 180 for about 10 to 15 minutes. Now meanwhile, I've got my carrots boiling and my potatoes. I've also added a sprig of thyme. You want to cook these now till they're a little bit tender. Now to my pan I've added just a little bit more olive oil. I'm going to toss my vegetables in again with some more fresh thyme and a couple of knobs of butter. And you want to toast these now with a little bit of salt and pepper until they're nice and crunchy. You can do this in the oven, but on the stove top is perfectly fine. Now that they're nice and toasty, it's time to serve them up. I'm using a round plate. You can use anything you like. I have steamed some broccoli and I'm placing that in the middle. We're going to add our chicken breast to this and finishing off with the cooking juices with all that gorgeous lemon flavour through there. And if you've enjoyed this video, please give it a like. I'll see you next week for another fantastic recipe. Thanks for joining me. Take care.